familiar with this, the procrastination. It is a noun. The tendency to not start anything until you've had a cup of coffee. Na-experience nyo ba yan? Parang kulang yung araw ninyo hanggat hindi kayo nakakapagkape.
Yes po.
Ang tawag pala dyan ay procrastination. So, parang ayaw nyo muna, wag mo muna akong kakausapin. Ganitong hindi pa ako nagkakape, wag mo akong kakausapin. Feeling bad day kayo kapag hindi pa kayo nakakapagkape. Same ba? Kasi ako ganun yung experience ko eh. Pag hindi ako nakakapagkape, wag mo muna akong kausapin, mainit ulo ko. Agree?
Agree.
Yes po.
Agree. Okay. So, kailangan mo nang magkape. And then, after the coffee session, pagkatapos ninyong magkape, everything world turns into magic. Nagiging positive ang buong paligid. Okay. So, let's move on with the cappuccino. It is 1 part of espresso with about 3 parts of frothed milk. The foam milk on top of the cappuccino acts as an insulator to help retain the heat of the liquid. So, meron siyang foam on top. Foamy siya. Kaya nga, di ba sa mga commercial, kahit instant coffee, nakikita ninyo yung foam on top of the coffee. Cappuccino po yon. And last, for the basic types of coffee, is the cafe mocha. I'm sure favorite nyo to. Cafe mocha. The cafe mocha, 1 part of espresso, with 1 part chocolate syrup, and 2 or 3 parts of frothed milk, optionally topped with whipped cream and chocolate drizzle. Cafe mocha. Okay, so let's brew, guys. I will show you a short video how to brew the different hot coffee beverages. Okay, so stop sharing ko muna to para ma-share ko sa inyo yung video. So enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so how about that? Meron ba kayo nakuhang ideas or may natutunan ba kayo with the video? Tingin niyo, ano ng favorite coffee ninyo? A latte, cappuccino, or mocha? Or gusto nyo ba ng strong para espresso lang? Katulad ng sinabi niyo, yung kaya kayong ipaglaban? Alright guys, so we have the finishing course for professional barista. So learn from the basic and craft coffee like a pro. We do also have specialized barista workshop full online. Be trained, be skilled, be certified. Get a dream you always wanted. So I have here the coffee analogy. Bago ako mag-end ng aking presentation and slides, guys, I have another analogy to each one of you. So you listen very carefully, guys. You are holding a cup of coffee when someone comes along and bumps into you or shakes your arm, making your coffee everywhere. Nakuha niyo po yung thoughts? May hawak kayong coffee, and then biglang merong bumangga sa inyo, natapon lahat ng coffee. Diba? As in, nag-spill out talaga siya. Walang natira. The question is, why did you spill the coffee? Can you comment your answer, guys? Why did you spill the coffee?